The next operation is deleting a node at the end of the linked list. Okay. So here already we have the 3 nodes, 10 node, 20 node and 30 node. Okay, now I want to delete the 30 node. Okay, so that we can make a previous previous node right as the null. So for that we are using a one line of a code is temp of left of right equals to null. Okay, temp of left is nothing but we are on the last node. Temp is this node. Okay, temp of left is its previous node. Okay, this one is the temp of left. Okay, previous node of the temp node. Okay, for this we are making the right as the null. Okay, this pointer value is assigned as the null. Okay, so that automatically the reference of the temp node from the previous node is deleted, so that it removes the link between the last node and the previous node. Okay, this deletes the last node of the linked list. Next, deleting a node at the intermediate position. Okay, deleting a node at the intermediate position is here we are taking the position of the node to be deleted. Okay, so either we can do with the value based on the value deletion or based on the position deletion. Okay, here we are doing with the based on the position. Okay, first we are checking the condition is position is greater than 1. Okay, because the position to be given as the in between the range of the 1 and number of nodes in the linked list. So that we are checking with this condition. Okay, next we are taking the temp value with the start node address and I equals to 1, and we will repeat the loop until unless the I value is less than the position. Whenever it is equals to the position, okay, then we will stop the loop and we will go to the next code. Okay, until unless it is not equals, okay, we will move on to the next nodes. Okay, so once it's equal, okay, then we are assigning the nodes addresses like temp of right of left. Okay, that is we are on the node which we want to delete, that is this is the node we want to delete, and we are on that node. Okay, this is the previous node of the temp node and this is the next node of the temp node, so that we need to remove the links between the temp node and its previous and next nodes. Okay, so that we will attach these two nodes, previous and next nodes, to be attached. Okay, so the temp of right of left. Temp of right of left is temp of right is its next node. Okay, it's left, that is the left pointer of the next node. Okay, this is assigned with the temp of left. Temp of left is the previous node address of the temp. So this node address is assigned to the next node of the temp node. The first is this assignment. Okay, second assignment is temp of left of right equals to temp of right. Temp of left of right. Temp of left is its previous node. Okay, its right is this pointer. Okay, this is assigned with the temp of right. Temp of right is the next node of the temp. Okay, this node address is assigned to its previous node right. Okay, temp node previous node right is assigned with the temp node next node, and okay, temp node previous node address is assigned to the temp node next node left. Okay, so that this link between its previous and next nodes will be removed and they are replaced by the another nodes. Okay, then the temp node will be deleted from the memory. Next, okay, this is the same is shown here. Okay, first the previous node address is assigned to the next node of the temp and okay, next node of the temp address is assigned to the previous node of the temp. Okay, next, okay, traversing and displaying of a linked list. Okay, traversing is whether we can do from the left to right or from the right to left. If it is left to right, we'll repeat the loop up to the temp is not equals to null and print the data of the node and move from the one node to another node using the right pointer. Okay, and if it is right to left, okay, then take the temp value as the start node address, and first we will move the linked list up to the last node. Up to last node the temp node is moved, and then we will move from the last to the first. Okay, we'll check up to the temp is not equals to null, print the data and move with the left pointer. Okay, okay, once we will go on to the last node, and from the last node we will start and again we'll move to the previous nodes of the linked list. Okay, so that we will traverse in the backward direction. Okay, so it will display the nodes in the backward direction. Okay, next. Okay, this is the quiz of the day for the double linked list. Okay. Okay, the first question is okay, which of the following segment of a code which deletes the element pointed by the x, okay, which is at the beginning of the, which is the first element of the linked list, and the first element address is in the start pointer. Okay, that is x is the first element. We have to delete the that first element of the double linked list. Okay, so answer for this. And the second question is which segment of a code deletes the element x from the double linked list. Okay, if it is assumed that x points to the last element of the linked list. Okay, here this is the code required to delete the last element of the linked list. Okay, for the first question, the answer is okay, B. Okay, first we will assign the start equal to x of forward, that is right pointer start is assigned with its next node, x node next node, and x start of a backward is assigned with the null. Okay, that is left pointer is assigned with the null. Forward is the right and backward is the left. Okay. Okay, next to delete the last element of the linked list. Okay, so I will make it as x of backward of forward equals to null. Okay, that is x of backward is previous node of the x node and its forward pointer, that is the previous node next node. So that value will make it as the null. Okay. So C is the answer. And for the next third question, okay, we want to delete the uh, okay, following segment of code counts the number of elements in double linked list. Okay, if it is assumed that x points to the first element and CTR is the count variable. Okay, using which code we can count the number of nodes in the linked list. Okay, so for that we can check up to count is started from 1 and x will be repeated up to the x is not equals to null and will move to the forward pointer. Okay, so this is the A is the right answer. CTR equals to 1, x not equals to null, CTR plus plus. Next, the fourth question is, okay, which of the code is used to check the count the number of elements in double linked list? X is points as to the last element of the linked list. Okay, that is x is pointing at the last, and we need to count the number of elements in the linked list. That is from the last to first we need to check. Okay, for that the code is B. Okay, counter equals to 1, x not equals to null, count plus plus, x equal to x of backward. Okay, we are moving in the backward direction. Okay. Next, these are the tutorial questions. You need to be answer these tutorial questions in the tomorrow's class. Okay, write an algorithm to insert an element anywhere in the double linked list. Okay, I want to insert a element in the at any position of the linked list. And what is a generalized list? How are they different from single and double linked lists? Okay, so you just search for this answer, and you need to find out the difference between the single and double linked list. Okay, and how the generalized lists are different from single and double linked lists. And third question is, describe how a node can be deleted at a user specified position in a double linked list. Okay, you want to write the code for to delete the element in the double linked list at a given position. Okay. Okay, these are the tutorial questions for the double linked list. Okay, and we'll go for the next topic. Okay, so once I go through this double linked list thoroughly and note down the code points which are highlighted with the red color. Okay, so that you are easy to understand the double linked list and you can be able to implement the double linked list.